Hi there! Check out the HOLIDYOYO Ceramic Gravy Bowl with Ladle, perfect for serving sauces and dips. This elegant white ceramic gravy boat includes a matching ladle designed for easy pouring without spills. Its ceramic material retains heat, keeping your gravy, sauces, or dressings warm throughout meals. The bowl features a comfortable ergonomic handle and a dripless spout for precise serving. With a moderate capacity, it's ideal for family dinners or holiday gatherings like Thanksgiving. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Add a touch of sophistication to your table with this versatile and stylish serving dish. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.